Wanna sit here? Side mommy. Wait, mommy. Wait, mommy. Move there, Monte. Let's take a video. Say good morning, Tata Shots. Say good morning. Sit down here. Mama will feed you, okay? Get close. There you go. What the? You happy now? Cry ka. Oh, no, no, no. Mama will do it. Mama will do it. Mama. Yeah, Mama will do it, anak. Wait, let me get your bib. No, no, no. Wait, mommy. Don't move. Mama will get you bib na. Oh. Okay, you can eat yourself. You can feed yourself now. Careful. Slowly. Yeah, you blow. Ano ba ito? I need something for your, na. You need to cover something underneath. Let me get a towel. Stay there, ha? Do not move. Yeah, can I use this one for now? Mama, just to cover the, down part. You might make a mess. You will get what? So there you go. Say good morning. Say good morning, mga Tata Shots. Pawi. Oh, is it yummy? Kain lang yan siya ng noodles. Yeah, this is apple, anak. Something na later, anak. Kasi pag maraming nakikita mo kung ano-ano nang pinagkakain mo eh. Eat the rice first. Can I feed you first? Later the orange. And this is, do you like this one? Can you try it? Taste it? A little taste. Taste it. No, it's avocado, anak. This is really good. Itong anak ko, mahinang kumain ng prutas. Lalo na sa gulay. Picky eater ng bata. Ngayon pa lang. Gusto marimar. No, 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 anak. Ang dami bang nasasayang na ng mga prutas at saka gulay pag nag-aano siya, kumakain siya kahit tinatapon man, hindi mo naman pwedeng kahit ko, one time nag-ano ko ng squash, inano ko ba siya, minash, tapos nilagyan ko ng yogurt para hindi niya nalasahan niya talaga, so hindi niya kinain, nasayang na naman. Tapos pati gulay, maglagay ka ng gulay, ayaw niya din. Anak, you have to eat fruits, anak, and vegetables. No, you cannot eat together, anak. You have to eat that first, then later you can have this one. Say, yummy. Ito, hinaluan ko to. Ano to, lucky meat to siya. Hinaluan ko to ng chicken. Oh, come on, eat lang. Yeah. Eat. Wala na yung, Say, yummy. Good. Oh, slowly. Careful. That's okay, leave it. Later that one. Anak, be careful. You can have that later. Eat the rice first. Yeah, is it yum yum? Yeah. It's good, yummy, right? Mastas ka.
No.
What happened? Pag nakikita niyang namamatay na yung screen ng cellphone ko. Wala na. Is it gone? Kanina pa lang umaga mga chef. Anyway, umaga pa lang naman ngayon. Alas 10 pa lang. Pero kanina ngayong araw, maaga ako lang gising kanina. Actually, agang-aga for the first time. Ayun ba? Nagising ako ng alas 4 kasi natulog ko ng maaga kagabi kasi nga napagod ako. Ayaw anak, put it down. Mama will eat it later. We can share. Alas 4 ako nagising, hindi na ako nakabalik pagtulog. Baka kalimbag-limbag ko ng 2 oras. Napagod yung utak ko sa kakalimbag-limbag. Hindi ako nakatulog ulit. Gumising na lang ako. Mga 6 o'clock, nandito na ako sa damuhan. Nagugupit na ako ng mga damo. Malapit na ako matapos. Siguro, maya, pwede ko na itong tapusin. Tapos pwede na kami makauwi bukas. Ay, anak, slowly lang. Don't do like that, anak. You're not playing, you're eating. That's not how you eat. Eat properly. Gusto niya yung noodles, yung pasta. Wala kasi kami dalang ano dito may sabaw. Kanina hindi ako nakakuha ng malunggay kasi nahiya ako. Kaya, chicken na yung hinalo ko. Slowly anak. Oh. Nakalimutan ko anak, mayroon pa tayong alugbati dun sa labas sa dulo. Dapat ba hinaluan ko ng alugbati nak no? Makalasa ka man ng alugbati. Put it back if you don't like it. Ito na ko na. Okay? Slowly anak. You have to eat slowly. Don't do that. Eat properly. That's not how you eat anak. Meron pa na akong mga shots avocado. Sarap. Ay, wala na kayo dyan. Namatay na naman kayo. Ang sarap ng avocado. Anak, can you taste this one na? This is really good. It is really good na. Avocado. Yeah. Taste it. Oh, cheers. Eat na. Eat rice first. Careful. Dapat pala, iniba ko yung pagkain niya ng slowly na. Kagahapon ba, nagpunta kami sa Angeles. Nakita ko to yung, ano bang tawag sa kanya? Mga isla. Nakita ko na may avocado, mas mura yung avocado niya kasi sa palengke. Pag makabili ka ng ganito, 1 kilo, 300 to 80. Ganyan yung presyo. Ang sa kanya, ano lang, 100. 6 pieces na. Di ba nakamura? Tapos ang ganda niya, hindi siya maugat, matamis, malinamnam. Kasarap talaga. Parang ako yung makaubos sa prutas, anak. Can you taste this one? Taste it. Just taste it, anak. This is really good. Healthy for you. Is it yummy? What do you want me to do with this one? You want me to put something sweet so you can eat? Huh? Ano? Taste it na. Taste it. One more time. How about I will put with the yogurt? Do you like that idea? You still have your yogurt. You want me to mix up with yogurt and eat it? Yeah? But you have too much food now. Can I do it later? Yeah, for your snack? Huh? Okay? I will give you yogurt with avocado so you can taste the avocado. Is that a good idea? Namatay na daw yung screen ko. Is it yummy? Itong ginanyan ko lang siya paghiwa para kagatin niya ba. Makuha niya lang yung juice. Kasi pag, tawag nito, pag, yung ipipil mo, natatakot ako baka malunok niya pati yung yung buong ganyan ba, slice. Anak, ano kayo gagawin natin? Anak, wala tayong gagawin na kasi mainit na sa labas. Sa likod, tulog pa. Maaga din ito nagising pero late natulog kagabi. Anak, what are you doing now? Can you eat your food? No, don't do that. Don't do that. Finish your food. And taste it. Taste the avocado. Taste the chicken. Slowly, anak, eat little by little. Okay, relax na. Slowly. Haluan ko na lang siya mama ng avocado. Cheers. Yummy? No, anak. You cannot mix it up with, noodles. What does it taste like now? No, 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 don't mix it up, anak. What? Mm. Mama is eating it.